You're here because something deep inside of you is saying there's got to be more to life than this. And you're right. Welcome. Spirituality isn't about leaving something behind. It's about expanding into something bigger, something greater. It's about realizing that the divine isn't out there somewhere, it's in everything, including you and me. So here's the plan. For these intro videos, we're going to talk about the basics of spirituality, energy, consciousness. It doesn't matter if you're coming from religious dogma or science or even atheism. We're going to explore how to shift from being a victim in your life to a victor. And tap into the power of your breath and move from complaining about life into creating it. We'll talk about the chakras, the energy centers of your body, detoxifying the pineal gland, gratitude, presence, and some fascinating topics like the Dead Sea Scrolls, Council of Nicaea, and the secret life of Jesus. But let me be clear. This isn't about me telling you what to believe. This is about you uncovering what has been there all along. It's your personal connection to something greater, your higher self, God, universe, source, whatever you want to call it. It's your ability to create. It's the love and the compassion at the core of who you are, at the center of all of us. So take a deep breath, kick back. We'll take a deep dive into this topic together. It's time to awaken, to connect, to expand. You ready? Let's roll.